Green building finance is a kind of finance that's offered to green buildings that are more resource efficient and are environmentally friendly. Green building finance can be in many shapes and forms, such as green construction loans and green mortgages that are offered by local banks and financial institutions, cash incentives that are being offered by countries like Singapore and China for their high-performance buildings. There could also be tax rebates, such as the one that City of Bandung is proposing for their upcoming green building code. And there could be special rebates on specific technologies like solar photovoltaics or LED lamps. Some countries have even tried some innovative products like PACE program in the US, where green buildings are financed by the local municipalities, and then they recover the money through higher property taxes. Power purchase agreement provided by a utility provider that recovers the cost through a higher tariff over time. There is also an option of carbon offsetting, where a green building owner could offset and trade their carbon credits with another organization and therefore get some extra financing. There is a perception in the market that green buildings are expensive, but our experience has shown that it does not have to be. If a well-planned, well-designed green building can have an additional capital cost that ranges between 0 to 5% and can get up to 40% operational cost savings. A recent example in Jakarta is a large mixed-use building which was able to cut down on their operational cost by optimizing their size of the windows and size of their cooling system, and was still able to get up to 30% energy cost savings. In fact, green homes are becoming part of the definition of a good quality home for many developments. This is the time for us to invest in that green future that we are all talking about.